Hello and welcome. Thank you all very much for joining us in this course. In this lecture, I want to show you the app that we're going to build with React Native. So I'm going to go ahead and write in React Native, run iOS. And this command, first of all, don't worry if you are not familiar with React Native or programming. You're going to learn a lot of things through this project. I believe that learning through projects is the best way to learn, because that way you make mistakes, and the best way to learn is from mistakes. Now, we are running our iPhone simulator, and in a few moments you will see the app that we're going to build in this course. So we built this app for a friend of ours who started a fast food business, and this app is a solution for customers to easier order food. Now you can see instantly you get this amazing menu. You have burgers, chicken, sandwiches, and hot dogs. Now if you click on one of these components, it opens up an additional view where you have the text and description of the item. Then if we were to open up one of these items, we can add this to the cart, or we can swipe up this component here and change the ingredients that we want in our burger. Also, we can have a combo, maybe save up a few dollars and add this as well to our cart. I hope you notice the animations here that we have. We will also learn about animations, how to polish an app, how to make it scalable, how to make it look good on all devices. Another thing, I'm going to run a simulator. This is an iPhone X right now, so I'm going to show you how it looks on an iPhone 5S. Why I love React Native and why I want to teach React Native to you guys is, if you are into mobile development, React Native is amazing in that you have one code base and it compiles to Android and iOS. And it's super fast, super convenient. You'll see, it's just a lot of fun. Another thing to mention is I am working on a Mac, and I can run an iPhone simulator and an Android simulator. But if you are using a Windows machine or a Linux machine, you will be only able to use a Android emulator, and well, you can thank Apple for that, because Apple only allows you to develop for Apple using their product. Alright, here we have an iPhone 5S, and you can see how basically the app looks the same. Everything is scaled, everything looks as it should look. We have the sandwiches, the drawer. Also, another thing is, if I now we can view our cart. Here we have the prices, and we can order this. We're going to show you we're going to show you how to connect this to a database. And then from that database, we will send the data to another app for cooks and for delivery guys. Alright, here we have our database. We have what we have finished here. And now if I place an order, it will be added here. So I'm just going to say test, an order. And here you see instantly our order was placed here. Test, the price, we have all the items in our cart. Alright, now I'm going to delete this order from the database, because there's no need for it here. Alright, so I hope you have an understanding of what you are going to be building through this course. You're going to learn a lot of stuff. React Native, Firebase, how to connect all those strings, how to make things responsive, fast, quick, and how to have animations, industry standard things. So if you have no prior knowledge of React Native or mobile development, after this course you will be ready to go to the industry and just show what you learned. So thank you all very much for joining us once again, and I'll see you in the next lecture where we will set up our project. Thank you and goodbye.